Hi everyone, welcome back to Soft Asia. In this video, I will show you how to change background color with just a click using JavaScript. So let's start writing JavaScript code. First of all, I will declare a variable colors and assigns an array of string to it. This array will contain different color names. Let colors I will assign 5 to 6 colors. I will declare another variable button and assign it to the element with an ID attribute of buttons. This will be done using document.getElement by ID method. Let button equals document.getElement. Now we'll add an event listener to the button element. It will listen for click event and execute a function when it occurs. After this, I will declare a variable index and assign it a random integer between 1 and the length of colors array. The math.random function will generate a random number between 0 and 1, which is then will be multiplied by length of colors array. The parseInt function will convert the decimal number to an integer. Let index parseInt math.random colors dot length plus 1. Then I will declare another variable canvas and assign it to the element with an id canvas, and I will use same method as earlier. Let canvas and at the end I will set background color of the canvas element to the color at the randomly generated index position in the color array. I will access style property of canvas element and sets its background property to the color at specified index. The dollar and the curly brackets will be used to interpolate the color string into the CSS background property. Canvas dot style dollar sign, curly brackets, colors, index. Let's check on front end. Here, when I click on button, background color of above container should change. Let me just click on it and background color is changed. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching.